Here's how to fix NVIDIA installation error. If you're seeing an error telling you to update Windows, start by making sure your operating system is fully updated. Open the Start menu and search for Settings. Open the Settings application and select Windows Update from the left-hand menu. Click Check for Updates and allow Windows to search for any available updates. If updates are available, install them and make sure your computer is running the latest version of Windows. Once Windows is fully updated, open the Start menu again and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel and make sure View By is set to Large Icons. Then select Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed applications and look for programs related to NVIDIA. Uninstall each NVIDIA-related application by selecting it and clicking Uninstall. Follow the instructions displayed on your screen to complete the removal process. Make sure you remove all the NVIDIA applications listed there. Once you finish uninstalling them, restart your computer. After your computer starts again, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Open Task Manager and use the search box to look for NVIDIA processes. Ideally, there shouldn't be any NVIDIA processes running at this point. If you do find an NVIDIA process, right-click on it and select End Task. Once you've closed any remaining NVIDIA processes, open your web browser and search for the official NVIDIA app download page. Open the official NVIDIA website from the search results and download the latest NVIDIA app by clicking Download Now. If you were previously using GeForce Experience, you can install the newer NVIDIA app instead. The NVIDIA app is the newer version of NVIDIA software and provides updated features and functionality. After downloading the application, install it on your computer and check if the installation error has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.